Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so instead of making multiple posts, multiple emails about all the new stuff and products going on, I wanted to put it all in one single video. So first of all, we have a new horseshoe mold. We had a bunch of people asking about horseshoe molds and matching template, horseshoe template. This is an oversized horseshoe, obviously. It's not true to life. It's 11.5 inches, 1 inch deep. So you've got the mold and you've got the template. We also have something very, very cool, which is really hard to show on the video to really see what this is, but it is a vinyl record storage holder template. So essentially you make two of these pieces, you join them together with some doweling or some metal tubing, and you can store up to 50 vinyl records. Now vinyl records, as you probably know, making a comeback, so people are looking for really, really high-end ways to store their collection because these records are now quite expensive. So making something like this out of like solid wood or wooden resin is definitely something awesome you can offer to your customers and gives you one extra product to offer in your line. So again, those templates are on our website for that. Now, we have 3 molds that we actually discontinued last year. They are resin art specific molds. They were somewhat popular, but still not as popular as our other molds. So we actually ended up canceling them. But of course, we still have the tooling, the masters. So we are bringing them back for a week. From now until March 29th, you can buy the Mandala 1 mold, the Sugar Skull mold, or our Aztec calendar mold. So all these molds are on the website under the new section, despite not really being new, but they're all